Hello guys, today's topic to revise is serialization. So let's begin without a pause.
What is serialization in Java?
Serialization is the process of converting an object into a byte stream so it can be saved to a file, sent over a network, or stored in memory. It allows object persistence and communication between JVMs.
Why do we need serialization?
We need it to persist object state, transfer objects between systems, or cache complex data structures. It's essential for distributed systems, file storage, and remote method invocation.
What if I want to serialize only a few fields of a class?
You can mark the fields you don't want to serialize as transient. Also, static fields are never serialized because they belong to the class, not the instance.
What happens if a class is serialized and later its structure changes?
You might get a class cast exception or invalid class exception during deserialization due to mismatch. To avoid this, declare a private static final long serial variable in your class. It acts as a version control identifier.
Suppose I have 1000 fields and want to serialize only 2. Should I mark the other 998 as transient?
That's inefficient. Instead, implement the externalizable interface. It gives you full control over serialization via writeExternal.ObjectOutput and readExternal.ObjectInput methods. You manually specify which fields to serialize.
Can you briefly explain how write external and read external work?
Sure. In writeExternal, you write only the desired fields using the out.writeXX methods. In readExternal, you read them back using end.readXX methods. This avoids default serialization and gives precise control.
If the parent class is serialized, will the child class be serialized too?
Yes, serialization is inherited. If the parent is serializable, the child becomes serializable by default.
What if I don't want the child class to be serialized?
You can override writeObject and readObject in the child class and throw not serializable exception. Alternatively, avoid serializing the child object altogether or use composition instead of inheritance.
If the child is serialized, will the parent also get serialized?
Yes, the entire object graph is serialized recursively. If the parent is serializable, its fields will be included unless marked transient.
That's all for serialization topic revision. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming content.